Daniel Brunelli found out that the faster that air moves, the lower the pressure it has. I'm talking about atmospheric pressure. The slower that air moves, the greater the atmospheric pressure is, right? As long as you are on Earth's atmosphere, high pressure will always go to low pressure to equalize out. This is why when you go up in elevation, like in a car, you go in the mountains or in an airplane or whatever, your ears pop and you shine. So what that is the pressure inside your head is different than the pressure outside. Your eardrums suck to your sinus cavity, believe it or not. When you open your mouth, it pulls it off, your ears pop, pressure is equalized. Okay, so this same concept. He found out that the faster, or as a fast stream of air hits either the aircraft wing because it's rounded, or a ball, the air slingshots around it, picking up speed. Well, the air around it is moving slower, so it has greater pressure. So it goes right to equalize out, and as long as you're blowing a fast stream of air on the bottom of the ball, you're generating lift. Well, that's what Isaac Newton taught us. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by another force. The other force in play here is gravity. So if I stop blowing, what happens? Right, gravity. That's your other opposing force. Also, now I can blow on this ball and I can get the ball to move side to side if I turn the straw. Now there's an apex, right? If I go too far, now because gravity is greater than lift that I'm putting on the ball. Watch. I've been doing this for 4 hours, so maybe I can get it. Right, back and forth. So, same thing happens. The front of the aircraft wing is called the leading edge because it leads into the air. It is rounded, so air hits it and it's slingshotted over the top of it, picking up speed, having less pressure on top. Now the bottom of an aircraft wing, if you look at every one of these planes, to include the helicopters out there, the blades, the bottom of it's flat. And the reason for that is so the air can go slower, having greater pressure. Greater pressure air, remember, always goes to low pressure, so it pushes up, and that's how lift is generated. You want more lift, you go faster down the runway, air is displaced more, creating more lift. So this bag is called a Bernoulli's bag, and it shows that same generation, right? Same concept, watch. I'll be here all day long trying to blow this thing up. I'll pass out and hit the floor, you'll all laugh at me and be like, look at that guy. Now, if I do what Brunelli taught me, and I back my mouth up, and I blow a hard, fast stream of air into the bag, it has low pressure. Ambient air is moving slower, has greater pressure. Great pressure goes to low pressure to equalize, right? You blow the whole bag up in one breath. That's how lift is generated. Cool, huh? So, the faster an aircraft goes down the runway, the more the air is displaced, the more low pressure air on top, fast on the bottom. That's how lift is generated.